How to accept tag request on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can actually accept the tag request on Facebook, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to accept tag request on Facebook, all you have to do is just go ahead and then open the Facebook app. Then if someone has actually tagged you, you'll most likely receive a notification in the notification panel that someone has basically tagged you and whether or not you want to accept it. But in case you don't find it, open up the Facebook app, tap on the profile icon from the top left to come to your profile page, and then here you'll find the button that says manage post. Just tap on the manage post option and then you'll be able to see the post that you're actually tagged in. Once you find the post that you're able to tag in, you can just check it over here, tap on next. You'll find the option called remove tag or hide from timeline or whatever else, or even accept the tag. That is it on how you can accept tag requests on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.